Welcome students to online audio and video lessons. This is an initiative taken by State Vidya Mandir English High School, CBSE, Vasai, Maharashtra. Hello student, myself Madhumita Tarafdar from State Vidya Mandir English High School, going to teach you Chapter 4 of Computers for Standard 6. The topic is Advanced Feature of Word 2013. So this is the second part of the chapter. This video is this is the last also. This chapter will be completed here. So let's go with the video. The topic which is covered in this chapter are footnote, endnote and page backgrounds. So what is a footnote? In science or in SST, when you are having some hard sentences or some topics are there about that particular word or sentence, they are writing some statement below at the end of the page. Means in the same page at the down they are writing. So that is known as footnote. And in the similar way, from where we have taken this book, from where I have taken the notes, which of the chapters I have linked, which of the references I have taken. So all these informations are written at the last page of the book, at the last page of your book. That is known as the endnote. So in this chapter we are going to learn what is footnote, what is endnote and how to change the page background. That is how to format a page. So let's go with the practical. Hello students. So now in this video I am going to teach you how to insert an endnote and a footnote and how to change the page background, how to insert watermark. All these things we will be learning in this video. So how to insert a endnote and a footnote. In the last video I have told you how to insert a header and a footer. Header is a text that is to be printed in every page is known as at the top of every page is known as header, whereas footer is a text that is to be printed at the bottom of every page is known as footer. Whereas this endnote and footnote, are inserted in a particular page, not in every page. Suppose you need a footnote, means in science, sometimes you can see that some statements are underlined or some statements are written a number and that number is written down, that what is the meaning of that word, it is given down here. Some notes are there, particularly some notes are given about something at the down of the page, that is known as the footnote. So when you write something about a page, about a word or something at the down, that is called footnote. That is, footnote is inserted on a particular page and the numbers are given. This is the first footnote, this is the second footnote. If you are having 5 words in your document and you want to explain that meaning of the 5 words you want to give, the number 1, first one will be 1, second will be 2, as like that it will go on. And what is the endnote? Endnote is like if at the end of the document, when your document is completed, when your book is completed, at the end of that book all the references are given, from where we have used this first one, from where I have used this second one, from which book I have used this. This is called the endnote. I am just showing you from where we have to insert the endnote and the footnote. I am just showing you, just check it. You don't need to do it, you just do the header and the footer part. See, go to the home. In that, go to the references. Here can you see the references? In this, go to insert a footnote. We need to insert a footnote. This is the footnote. The moment you will click on insert a footnote, see a line will come at the bottom of the page. Can you see here? A line and a mark, number 1 is written here. I am just showing you. Wait, let me make it bigger so that you can see it. Okay, here also 1 written and the same thing here also written. Can you see it? That means the meaning of that sentence is explained here. So here you can write whatever. If you want, you can write anything, like suppose it's just a word. I'm just writing here, just for example, it's nothing, it's just a word. I have just written it like this, nothing. So here it is the meaning. So the meaning of this word is given here. You just click it and the meaning will be shown here at the end of the page. That page itself, at the end of the same page, the meaning will be shown, not in any other page. Okay, now you understand what is header and footer. Now suppose I want to give one more header and footer, one more footnote. Go to the reference and now insert a next footnote. See, this is now, see, can you see it is numbered as 2? Can you see it? I'm just showing you. Wait, so just increase the size. So can you see it? Now it is number 2. For this, the word is here, the word is written here, and for that the meaning is given down. Can you understand? So for the meaning here it is number 2. So this is called footnote. That means some meaning or something, you want to give some note at the down of your page, that is called footnote. Okay, next is your endnote. Endnotes are also inserted from references. Go to the references. From here you go to the just click here, then you insert a endnote, and endnote, for endnote just click it at the last of the page. This is the last page. We are having 3 pages. This is the 4th page. Here you will be, the references will be given here. So here also it is written like this, reference to book. I am just writing as reference to book and all these things. So here it is called this is the endnote. So endnote, at the end of the page, end of the document, the things that are written, like we have referred for this book, we have referred that book for writing this document, I have referred online this site website, for writing this book I have referred to this book from the library. So this is called the references. So this is written in the endnote. You just understand it, nothing more than that. In your books also, I think you are having this at the last page. You can see they are written all sorts of books references or something, that is called the endnotes. Maybe here in this book they have not written, but if you are using some textbooks or something, in that they are writing the endnotes and footnotes. Okay, so this is called the endnote and footnote. So let's come to the, now let me show you how to change the background color and background of your page. So go to page layout. I need a watermark here. Watermark, in some pages there are some prints given in that page. You can see the prints are given, and above that print something is written. All you can write a document as usual, but some pages, like suppose you are from a particular school or particular college you are studying, and for that if you buy some assignment pages for that from that college or school, they are giving you some pages. In that background watermarks are given, that is the name of that institution is printed, and you can type above that page. So that is called watermark. See, I am showing you what is watermark. How you will get a watermark? Go to the page layout button. In that, can you see this watermark? And this is the page borders. First I am showing you how to put page borders. Click on page border and select any of the borders, whatever you want. If you want any border, you can select it and press OK. See, this type of border I have used, or you can use some other borders, some sorts of designer borders you need, so you can use that also. This is the apple border I have used. Okay, next is I am using the watermark. First go to watermark. See, these are the few of the watermarks they have already given you, but if you need to write your own watermark, go to the custom watermark. Can you see here the custom watermark? Go to the custom watermark, click here. Okay, if you want some picture, so click in the picture watermark. If you want some text, click on the text watermark. So I am first showing you how to insert a text watermark. Click on the text watermark and then go to here. Can you see here the text? The text what you want to write, you can write it here. Delete it and write it like SVM. I am writing it. And then you need a color. If you need, you can put a dark color so that you can see it. And here see, semi-transparent, diagonal or horizontal. Diagonal means it will be written like this in this side, or horizontal means it will be written in this way. Okay, see it, I'm showing you. See, diagonal. Can you see it? Now this is a watermark. I can type anything over this page. You just see, I can type it over this. This is called watermark. Okay, over that I can type anything. So this is the watermark. So now suppose I want to change the watermark. Again go to custom watermark. In this horizontal, I am showing you what is horizontal. See, this is the horizontal and that was the diagonal. So this is the watermark. Now you understand. And if you don't want any watermark, no watermark, apply and close. See, the watermark has gone. Now again I am showing you how to use a custom watermark, and now I am showing you how to insert a picture watermark. Go to the picture watermark, select it first and then select the picture whatever you want to insert. Suppose I am inserting this one. Select it, press insert. Now press the insert button and press apply and press close. See, this is a washout. Okay, if I don't put this washout, again go to this watermark, go to the custom and check, just uncheck this washout button and apply. Then you can see that thing. Can you see the picture now? Yeah, this is the picture I am typing here also. Can you see it? So this is the way we are inserting a watermark. Now suppose I want to remove the watermark, just remove your watermark. Your watermark will be removed from here. So again I am showing how to insert. Go to page layout, go to the watermark, go to custom watermark. In that, if you want to write something, select text watermark. If you want to add some picture, so select the picture watermark and select the picture whatever you want to select, and then you just uncheck it if you want to see the picture nicely. If you don't want, you just keep it like that only. Then the picture will be visible but very light. And for the text watermark, go here and in this portion where the text is written, you just type whatever you want to type. You just type it and press. And the color also you can choose it from here. Whatever color you want, you can choose it and press apply and close. See, can you see it? So the watermark is inserted. In the same way, if I want page color, see, I am inserting this type of page color, a light page color. If I insert, then only you can see the watermark also. See, this is the page color I have inserted. So what are the things I have inserted? Page color, page border and page background. So these are the things you have to do in this chapter. So go through the practicals, header, footer, then endnote, footnote, and then this watermark, page color and page border. Changing the watermark, changing the page color, changing the page border. So this chapter is completed. So your first term portion is also completed for this. With this, the first term portion is completed. So I will be giving you the notes. Till then, go with this. So students, hope you have understood this chapter. So just do it practically. And here the first term portion for your chapter for standard 6 is completed. So thank you and have a nice day.